All right, hi there. This is the back of our Learning Target 1.2 test, the open response section, so there's no multiple choice. So I'm going to read the questions to you, have you pay attention to the color coding, and help you set up some of the problems. So with number 7, it says you are taking function f of x, which is this x to the third minus 2. So you're going to write that below, x to the third minus 2. And then remember, if there's an addition sign in the middle, it makes it real easy. We can just copy that addition sign. And you're going to add it to your h of x, which is, you have to be careful here, negative 2x to the third plus 4. Now from here, you are to combine like terms. Please use your calculator when adding positives and negatives. If it helps, you might want to put a positive 1 here. Be careful when you're combining again, and then your simplified answer, so you're not going to get x equals, you're going to get a simplified answer. And you can either write it on the line over here, or I don't mind if when you simplify, you just circle the answer. Number 8. So, looking at this, I see a number where it says h of x in front of it. So remember that 2 is going to be times, so we're going to have 2. And we have to times it by whatever h of x is. So I have that color coded for you up here. We're going to times it by that. H of x. And then I noticed here this should have said, there should have been an x here. I apologize. So make sure you have fixed that. Again, that's our first part. So 2 times this. Now remember, we are going to have to use distributive property. And then this was one of the tricky ones, but I'm helping you with it. When we have a minus sign in the middle, remember, we change that to a plus, and we put the minus with the number after it, so that we're distributing that negative 3. So then we do the plus sign, we transfer down, and then we're going to take negative 3 times whatever g of x is. So again, negative 3 is going to be times our g of x function. So that's 3x squared minus 2x minus 7. Again, we're going to have to use distributive property. Be very careful with the signs in front of the numbers when you are multiplying and combining like terms. You have to make sure the signs are correct. So you're going to distribute both of these. You're going to get another string of terms. And then you have to add like terms. And then you will get a final simplified answer. Again, you can do that over to the side or write the final answer on the line. Either way, just circle your answer. So pause and do that one. All right. Number 9. I'm going to leave number 9 up to you because this one is a little bit on the simpler side. You should be able to write down whatever f of x is, copy down the plus sign, and then take 3 and multiply it by the whole entire g of x. But this is a positive 3, so I want you to try to do that one on your own. So this one will have some distributive property and combining like terms. And again, just circle your answer, or you may write it on the line. And then number 10, we've worked with examples in here. It's really not too bad. We are just going to, at the end, use this divided by 2. We're going to do what's on the top first. So we're going to take j of x, which is right here. So I'm going to copy my work with a big fraction bar. So j of x is up here, 16x squared. Remember, so j of x is here. And then I have plus 8x minus 4. Sorry, that's an ugly minus. That is a minus. I'll go ahead and fix it for you because it is not. It could look confusing later. So that's a minus. Minus 4. Okay, and then I have to do plus. So I'm going to write my plus sign right in the middle. Plus, and then this is where I have to use 3 times h of x. So 3 times whatever this h of x is. So I'm going to do 3 times, and then I'm going to write down my h of x, which is negative 2x to the 3rd plus 4x. We have to be careful. Let me make that x clear. Before you can combine like terms, you do have to distribute. So this positive 3 times, and then again, so once you distribute, you'll have new terms, and then you're going to combine those like terms, and that would all go, again, all of this is on 2, so when you combine the like terms, I would again put it underneath here, put all your terms down here, your new terms maybe go down here, on top, and then whatever you get, you're going to put it over 2, and you're going to see if 2 goes in to any of the new terms. So first, do the new terms and simplify, and then see if we can simplify farther with the over 2. Okay, this is kind of the trickier challenge one, but we have practiced ones like this in class. So good luck with that. And that's the end of part 2, the open response for 1.2.